Hey guys, well today I have a camera assistant, so I feel lucky. I wanted to improve this door. I don't think it would take many kicks to kick it down. So I found this door armor. It kind of had some good reviews. Comes with a couple of plates over here. This and this corner for these hinges and this whole thing on this front. Supposedly it's supposed to stop people from kicking in your door. So I've opened the kit already. So this is the kit down here. So we're going to install the door pieces first with the screws. Here we go. Okay, so now we're going to put this piece on here. We'll center it over and use the 2.5 screw with the torque bit that they came with. Okay. You know, I bought this Harbor Freight. It's the same as this DeWalt and about 50 bucks cheaper. But right now they got the brushless combo with 2 batteries for $99. Goodbye. Okay, got that. And I did it this way because I was fighting that trim. Let's see if this will close. Yes, it will close. Okay. So we'll use that screw. The middle screw will hit here. We'll screw here and here. And we'll take that screw out and drive a long screw in. Okay. too high. Oh well. Oh. So, hope that'll make it last longer. Well, thank you everyone. Hope this helped. Bye.